Hello my friend, this is from Magic Laser, and today I'm gonna show and introduce our brand new laser welding machine. This laser power is 2000 and from Recons. I'm gonna show some details for this machine. There are 6 types of welding types. From the top to the bottom, you can pick whatever you want. And also here is a power percentage for this machine, and currently is 40% for the power. You can pick and put in the whatever the percentage you want, and adjust the 6% for this machine. Next, I'm gonna show how this machine welding. I see.